Hey guys, this is Mainak and you're watching Civil Bro. This is the 11th lecture on the course of building design using Etabs, in which we have gone step by step through an easy procedure to understand practically how to design a building in Etabs using some concepts of civil engineering, which we already know. So, the today's video is about detailing in Etabs. Detailing is basically presentation of your design. So the presentation is in the form of drawings, so which are very important because what a site engineer has with him or her is the drawings. So the drawings are very important. They should be precise, they should be clear and easy to understand, and they should depict the entire structural process. So while making detailing, if we do it in AutoCAD by default, it takes a lot of time. If we just see the results from design software and then do it in AutoCAD, it takes some time. So Etabs has added a feature of exporting our drawings, which makes it easier to export the results and present the drawings. Sure, we might need to do some editing to make them more presentable, but it gives the basic, layouts and schedules so that we can present those drawing in the AutoCAD, and it can be easily exported into AutoCAD also. So let's start the today's lecture and we'll see how to do the detailing in ETABS. So before you do the detailing, make sure you have this designed, you know, designed this entire structure, because if you have not designed, then the detailing won't work. So after we have made sure that the structure is analyzed and the structure is designed, then we will go to the detailing here, and you can see these are the options here. We have the detailing preferences, concrete detailing preferences. So you can just hover on to any detailing preferences, and if you want to include in it various things like suppose if you want to this section name, section sequence number, you can include this. Similarly, in the case of column also, you can include or exclude the things which you want. So just click on OK, leave it to default. And the main thing which you want here is the rebar selection rules. So let's do it for the beams. As you can see, for the beam side, smallest bar size will just change to your 12. If you're wondering what is this A, B, C, D, and E, F, G, and what is zone A, zone B, zone C, and this zones, we'll show you in the later part of this video. So first of all, make this, everything as your 12. This is basically a span of the beam which the software have divided into some parts. So we'll show you later, but the minimum, rebar which you want is your 12, and for the stirrups, minimum we'll select 8, and maximum we can select 10. Stirrups, if it is more than 10, it's too difficult to bend and not triggered also. Largest bar size, they can go up to 36, but this is a not a huge structure, will go up to, let's say, 25. So let's make this 25 here for the detailing. So this is done. And preferred bar size, this also you can set here. You can just set here whatever the bar which you prefer. And stirrups also, everything is 10 for now. So after this is done, and you can see that there are seismic and non-seismic things also. So you can change both these, or you can keep this as default. So remaining things, minimum number of bars, this is okay, 2 number of bars we need. This is okay as per our scheduled things. And for the columns also, you can change the smallest bar size. Smallest bar size for columns, we want this as 12, and the largest bar size, let us keep this as default. And splice bar, you can, every story you can just keep, or you can keep up to 2 stories as well. This is as per your preference. And piers and squandrels we don't need that right now. And you can do the same in this seismic also, but we're going to keep this for seismic, we're going to keep this as default. So just clicked on OK, and can do more detailing as per your preference, but this for the beginners you can just do up to this, and then you can have this option of this start detailing. Just click on this. It will take some time to start the detailing, and then the detailing will be done. So you can just expand the view to just observe the detailing better. And first of all, I'll show you the standard details, because I told you that I'll show you the zone A, zone B, and zone C. So I'm just using my mouse button to mouse wheel to zoom in, and I'm showing you. And pan, I can use click on the mouse middle button and pan. So this is a zone A. So you can see zone A, zone B, zone C, and again zone B and zone A. So these are the zones. And suppose this is LC1, and you can see C beam schedule for stirrup and spacing. Zone A shall have beam height. Zone A length shall be twice the height of beam H. So zone A will be twice the depth of this beam H. The first stirrup in zone A will be located 50.8, and lap spices will be located within the beam column at a distance of 2h. Lap spices shall be enclosed by hoop stirrups. So the zone details they have given here based on the forces, as you can see. And here also you'll find the A, B, C, D, E marking. As you can see in the top, you can see this is A, this is B, and as you can see this is D, this is C. So like this, these are the zones which we had seen earlier. So similarly, we have the in the place of this columns as well. As you can see, there are three zones here: zone A, again this zone A, and zone B. So as you know, the in zone B there is the minimum moment, and but in that is near the supports for the columns there is a maximum moment. So that it's generally L by 6, or maximum of H3 or L by 6, H3 by 6, or it's written here, or the larger dimension of column. It is L by 6. If this is distance from of the clear span from the bottom of this beam and the top of this beam is L, then it should be L by 6 and L by 6, and the remaining zone is a zone B. So depending on that, the stirrups are placed. So we are not getting it, don't worry, you will just get it afterwards. I'm just showing. After you get some detailing sheet, you will just get it if you are not getting it right now. So first of all, we'll go to this slab we haven't designed. So we'll go to the beam details, concrete beam details, schedules and tables. So this is concrete and rebar table, and we'll just go here, and you can see here this sheet. So there you have this beam numbers and you have the reinforcement. So for different zones, Etabs have calculated different reinforcement. But practically, when you apply, you just have to look at the maximum reinforcement which it is giving, and you can apply that particular reinforcement to the top. And if you want to export any detailing sheet, just right click on that particular sheet, export view. You can just select this AutoCAD 2000 TWG, and you can select the directory and just click on start export. It will take some time, but the export will be done. Okay, so let's see the column details. You can just go to this concrete column framing plans. Just click on this. So in the concrete column layout, we see that we have one type of column, that is CC1. And if you just go in the schedules and tables in the concrete column schedule, CC1 details have been given. You can see 12 bars of 12 mm. We have used here. You can just change them, and if you want to use 16 mm bars, lesser bars will come. But here you can see this is the main reinforcement, 12 bars of 12 mm, and then you have this stirrups, 10 mm stirrups at a spacing of 100 mm center to center have been placed here. And then the frame details, you can see the frame layouts at the base, and then reinforcement cage views. There are other things. So let's right now go to the drawings. You can see the general notes and the floor plans. As you can see here, this is the floor planning plan of the ground floor roof, and then the concrete column schedule. This is the concrete column schedule, and then the concrete column layout. Suppose you want to export this concrete column layout, just right click on this. You can just print this sheet to get the PDF, or just add export. and then you can just select AutoCAD 2000. You can select all sheets or selected sheets, and then you can just export it. Start export. So the export is complete. Let's see what the AutoCAD file looks like. If you want, you can change this layer properties. Just change it to black, and then you can see this. It's visible here. So this is the sheet, default sheet which they've created, and this is the our concrete column layout of the base. So like this, you can just take out all the drawings. You can see this contains the center to center distances, and you can check the yourself the distances as well. You can make edits to it. So you can set the units also. So like this, you can check all the drawings. You can make edits. So guys, in this particular video, we have summed up the detailing part. So of the entire series of this 11 videos till now, the very basics of design of a building using Etabs have been covered. Hope you do them step by step, and we'll come up with more videos on foundation and slab and other things. And after completing the series, we'll also do everything in one particular video. So make sure you do the practice part, and if you're having any queries related to this etabs, or you want videos on new topics, you can just leave a comment on the YouTube video. Thanks for watching and your love and support. Wherever you are, stay safe. This is Mainak. Bye.